I want you to understand that tomorrow literally is not promised. So when people are like, well, why are you in such a rut, Rachel? Why you gotta jet up your ass all the time? Why are you always running around trying to make everything happen? Well, the reason why I'm in a rush, and the reason why I'm super intentional, and the reason why I make $1 million decisions, and I encourage you to do the same, is because I understand. My father passed away when I was 12 years old. He was 41, right? Like, I understand viscerally that tomorrow's not promised, right? You wanna know why I'm in a rush? I'm dying. I'm literally dying. And so are you. We all are. We are not gonna last forever. We will expire at some point, right? And so we need to get our asses moving, right? I want to change the racial wealth gap in this country, right? I wanna have a big impact and change the world. And that's not gonna happen if I sit on my hands and think about, well, I don't have makeup on today, so I can't put on the camera, right? Or, you know, what will people think of me if I start making money? Or whatever the stupid reasons are, right? Whatever the circumstances are or the reasons are that you have for not taking action, not making the moves that you need to make, right? Whatever those reasons are, let them go. They are not as important as the impact you are here to have, right? They are not as important as your purpose. They're not as important as your mission, okay? So accept the assignment. Stop thinking about yourself and start thinking about who needs to hear your message, right? Who needs to be impacted by your work? What is your work gonna enable and make possible? Prioritize that over your fear, right? And over all of these things that make you think that you're not good enough, or that your business isn't good enough, or that your ideas aren't good enough, or that your expertise is not enough. It is enough, I promise you. It is enough, okay? I have every excuse under the sun. I have all the circumstances, right, to say I should not be here right now, and here I am.